Alright guys, I am about to just finish with the ice bath and everything. Now I'm in Randburg. I want to just show you this area. Like, this is a really nice area here, guys. I think I'm still in Northcliffe, but I'm going to just walk around. I think I know how to get there. Cause I saw like a little shopping center or something, so I'm going to go check that out and just bring you along the ride. And so when people are always asking me, like, how do I go to different places? This is how, guys. So what I do when I go to like an event like this, then I just go and see.
I'm just thinking, maybe not be rude. Do you want to lift?
Oh, no, it's okay. I'm just walking. I'm just turning it into content creation.
Oh, no worries.
All right, appreciate it though, brother. All right, thank you. So we're gonna walk down, check out the thing. And also, guys, that show you how nice South Africans are here, man. Just about everybody offered me a ride offer me a ride if I didn't want to have to wait on an Uber. But I ended up doing this on purpose because I actually wanted to walk around here when I was coming through and seeing the area. So that's why I was going to just turn this into a content creation day journey right here, because I don't know again when I'll be back in Northcliffe. And so the ice bath is really amazing, guys. Like I still feel cold right now, but my body feels great. It's hard to describe. It's like all the inflammation in my body just disappeared. So I'm really loving that, the feeling of it. Feel like a little warehouse or something. I don't know what this is. And also I saw a little, I think it said China market or something, 50% off. So I just want to go and see what all do they have there, check it out, and let you come along on the ride. Okay, so yes, Northcliffe. This is where we at. Let's see, I think this way. I think this is where I came in at. Oh, look at this cute bird, guys. If you're from, can you see him? I don't know if you can see him, but cute little bird. Let me cross the street. And also remember, guys, if you are walking in South Africa, just be mindful of the flow of traffic in the street. I'm going to always say this, that is going to be one of the most dangerous things coming here, is dealing with the traffic. Okay, we got a mosque over here. Let me see if I can walk on this side, so I'm not in the street. Got here. So we got stuff this way, guys. Now that way, where I'm pointing the camera, is where the China Mart is. Let's go walk this way first, and then we'll come back up. So also, guys, like, this just shows you, this is how I get my steps in too. Oh, something in my. Okay, we got a nice flower shop here. Oh, look at the bonsais, rose bushes. Okay, we got some nice flowers here, guys. Okay, it's a big flower shop. Okay, we got a grocery store here. Okay, I'm not sure what grocery store this is. So let me see if they have any vegan products. Excuse me. Let me see if they have any vegan products in here, guys. And this is how also like I find a lot of different vegan stuff at places. Okay, you got good prices. Excuse me. Okay, they got sorbets here, guys. Sorbets are vegan. Which is a frozen fruit. Sorry about that. Okay, they have dragon fruit, guys, blackberries. Oh, sorry about that. I'm gonna have to say I think the price of the frozen fruit here is actually a good price, guys, compared to some of the other ones. Okay, I know I'm gonna get some of these blueberries. And oh, they got black currants, red currants. Let me get some gooseberries. So we got okay, so still seedless grapes. If you're looking for dates, guys, I can tell you where to get dates at a great price from Fordsburg. Prickly pear. Okay, they got pomegranates there. The produce here looks really good. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, guys, so this one is just a produce place. Okay, they got date syrup, guys, here. Excuse me. Sorry about that. So for my vegans out there, they do have date syrup. The price for this is 89 Rand. Peanuts, popcorn. Okay, I actually like this store. Got different chia seeds, flax seeds, cashews. Alright, guys. Let me see. There's a look at dried fruit on that side. What are those? Oh, those are corn chips. Okay. Thought they were cashews. Go to the other side. They got oat milk here, guys. Okay, here we go, cashews. A bag of pistachios, something. Peri peri. I'll go with a small bag. Alright guys, let me cut the camera off and then I will be back once I finish here checking out.